Hi everyone, I'm back and show you this tutorial and how I make this flower. It's a fabric flower and this is the leaf here. This is the back. Okay, so okay, and you will receive I will include this template in for you to cut out the shape to make this flower. Yes, this I just show you how do I make this, and yeah, you can follow your way to make your own flower. So what I need we do is I just layer random, yeah, to layer. So okay, like so. And this, and you can see I didn't follow the shape. I just, you can see, okay. And this one on top here, and this one I will put like so. Okay, I want to glue. If you want, you can cut these pieces and put, yeah, so you can get the more thicker. Okay, like so. Okay, and yeah, for this one I will use the needle to hold them together. And you also can use the glue if you want. Okay, stitch them together. Okay, like so. And okay, tie the knot behind. And cut the knot. Hello my darling girl. Hello little Candy. Candy. Little Candy girl. Okay, just like so. And get yeah, I like to squish all the flower, make it wrinkles and tattered or shapey shape like so, so we can see all the edges. Okay, so, and we try to make something, yeah, easy and simple and easy flower for you all. So yeah, it's easy for you all to try to make. Some people, yeah, that maybe didn't make flower before, so I will make something very simple but came out quite pretty. Okay, so you can get this, so you get the okay, like so. And okay, and you, for the kit, you also will receive all these laces. What you need to do is, yeah, depends on you. You prefer in this side or this. I prefer use this side. Okay, so yeah, just simply just screw it. Okay, just like so. You find a way to place. Okay, and this one I will use the hot glue. Okay, so you make get the and the top here also put a little bit glue. Okay, so you got this. Okay, and also, yeah, just random, you can cut the small pieces, so you got you can put a little bit here and there. Oh, the glue. Okay, I put this one here. Okay, so put a little bit glue here and put this here and like so. Okay, okay, put a bit more glue here. So got this one, and you also got this color. So I will use these pieces here, and maybe put this side and see which side is better. This, I will put this here. Okay, just random, and you will turn out pretty. So like so, and the top here you can put a little bit glue here. So got this. Okay, so and yeah, I still have the small pieces here. Piece. I'll put this side maybe. Yeah, this I'll put here. Yeah, put the top layer this here. Okay. So we got this flower here, and this one is like the French trim. So this one you have to cut this pink thread. So you got this here. Okay, and I make it wrinkle, and I will cut small pieces and attach them in this part. Okay, here. And this color here. So I got this one. Later we'll make it wrinkles here. Okay. So you got this here, and another pieces I will put over here. Maybe this part here, underneath here. Maybe bottom. Yeah, put the bottom here. Okay. This layer I put here. So you got this, and put a little bit top. So you got this. Oh, and you got this one here. So everything put here, and you just make it. So you got this one, and the top here, if you want you can put the beads or anything, buttons, but I have this flower, so I will use this on the center. Okay, so you got this piece flower here, and this one I will glue, put a little bit glue here, because I don't want okay. like so. This one I won't prefer to put here, and curl this inside, so much more better. Easy and simple. And yeah, this one is, you can use this to make your hair clip onto your project. Yeah, who bought the Gypsy kit, you also can put in this flower into your project. And this also for the vintage fabric bowl, whatever. And yeah, for the leaves here, you will receive two, and I really cut the shape out. And what you need to do is just screw this wire behind, okay, and put this here, okay, another one, so put a little bit glue behind, and glue the leaf on top, so you can bend the shape you like. So yeah, this one, just put a little bit glue behind the bottom, and just put the leaf, so you got the shape like so. And this one also, you can bend the shape you like, okay. Put this side or this, okay, we put like so, okay, put under this part. So we got this one here. Too big, this one I can bend a bit, okay. So, ta-da, you got this. Very simple and easy to make fabric flower. So you can use this to make put onto your projects. Okay, let me do zoom a little bit to the, okay, you can see clear like so, and dimension, and the leaf also very look not, yeah, I put the wire behind because I don't want the leaf is like too flat. So what I did do is like so. Okay, so I got this rubber. I will use this into my Gypsy bag project when I have time to make. Okay, and yeah, this is the video, and I will come back to do another tutorial for another embellishment. Okay, and bye for now, and thanks for watching. And yeah, and if you like this tutorial and this flower, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will appreciate it. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.